Welcome to PrometAI. Today, let's look at why now is the right time. As you get started, navigate to the Marketing and SEO section in the Entrepreneur's Journey. Then, select the Why Now tool. PrometAI analyzes market timing through macro trends and technology shifts, showing how broader market movements and changes in technology can create the right conditions for your business. It also shows the share of users that match the relevant criteria, helping you see how well your idea fits the current market. In addition, PrometAI reviews regulatory tailwinds and cultural shifts, explaining each one and showing their relative share. And finally, it calculates the best window of opportunity and highlights the risk of delay so you can better understand when to act. The right timing, clearly shown with PrometAI.